Hi, and welcome to Certain Media DIY Secrets. This is secret number 8, how to register with SESAC.
And you can see that I'm already on the SESAC website. And you can see Antebellum and a bunch of the other artists that are registered with them pop up on the screen. When you make music and you want that music to earn you an income, there are certain things you must do to protect yourself and your creation. One of the major ways to make sure you collect your royalties is that you sign up with a publishing rights organization or PRO. The 3 major PROs in the US are ASCAP, BMI, and SESAC. ASCAP is probably the most popular, BMI is the largest, and SESAC is invite only. Notable artists invited to be members of SESAC are Bob Dylan, Neil Diamond, Cassandra Wilson, Rush, MGMT, and Mumford & Sons. That's right. There is no step-by-step process to sign up for SESAC, so our suggestion is to sign up with ASCAP or BMI. You can find a quick step-by-step guide for registering with ASCAP and BMI in previous Far-Fetched DIY Secrets. By all means, protect your art. You will regret it if you don't. Keep creating. Who knows? Maybe one day, SESAC will ask you if they can help you with it.
So that was secret number 8. Next up is secret number 9, how to register with the Library of Congress.